We move to the following basic radical, which is potassium cation K+. For this, we will be taking a test tube, then a spatula, then I will be taking a pinch of a salt, which is potassium iodide, Ki. So from the beginning, I know that my solution will be containing this particular cation. So I transfer it into the test tube. Then I will be adding little distilled water to make what we call salt solution. After that, we will be adding picric acid and sodium cobalt nitrate. So the solution is there. Following step is to add some picric acid, drops of the solution. After, we'll be adding drops of sodium cobalt nitrate. A precipitate should form. But if the precipitate is not forming immediately, we can help the precipitate to form by adding, by scratching with a glass rod inside the test tube. I will be shaking the mixture. After, I can use a glass rod and I can scratch inside to help the yellow crystalline precipitate to form. Now it's very clear, after scratching the inner side of the test tube, the precipitate, crystalline precipitate is there. That means potassium of group 6 is there. For the confirmatory test of potassium, we take a small amount of our salt containing potassium using a spatula. We place it in the watch glass, then we add 1-2 drops of concentrated hydrochloric acid to make the paste. The nichrome wire is cleaned with concentrated HCl. Then we will dip the nichrome wire into this paste, then expose it to the flame and see the color of the flame. Basically, the color of the flame, if potassium is there, should be violet. I will dip it inside here, then expose it to Bunsen burner flame. Now you can see the color of the flame is violet. This is the confirmatory test for potassium cation. Flame is violet.